Cherry Tita and welcome back to Valley Golf North Course. Meron na naman tayong bagong showdown na 3 versus 1. Wait lang, pero bago yon tayo muna ay mag-OTT. Callaway, Only Birdies, Adidas. Ito na ang ating mga kasama. Ito na ang kalaban namin. Pinagtatago na naman dito. Ito na, si Saling Kit na nag-stretching na naman ganun eh, no? Hello, Saling Kit. How are you today? Okay, so ikaw ang kalaban namin. What is your outfit for today?
Nike, Callaway, Lululemon, Nike.
Ang aking teammates ay walang iba. Habang nag-stretching doon ang aming kalaban, nandito naman ang aking mga kasama. Nakaupo dito at nag-electric fan. Hello, madam. How are you?
Okay ka ba, Char?
Here comes the Yakult girl. Hi, Yakult girl. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, what is your outfit for today?
This is Adidas, and G4.
And stockings. Let's
And of
start
course,
with- But there is no diamante now.
I forgot.
She forgot the diamante.
This is a Callaway stock.
Callaway stockings. And this is our teammate, Rumi.
Yes.
Please listen. Come here, come here. This is our teammate. This is the one that will lift us up. Nitas buhat. Hi, Winter.
My back might hurt.
Oh, your back might hurt.
I'm not that heavy.
Me too. I don't want to be heavy. I'm not sure of her. Okay. So first of all, Winter, I like your outfit. What is your outfit for today? Section.
And then only bird.
Only birdies. Glasses.
Cinnamon yung socks.
Sino ba yung socks? Adidas. May boyfriend ka na?
No.
Okay, no! Sabi niya. We will beat her, ha? She's making like that, eh. Oh.
What is
our warm up?
What's our
Warm up.
Our warm up as a team.
What is your warm up? Chismisan? Maritasan? What? What's your warm up? Di ka na pula? Ha?
Jogging.
Jogging? No, I just ate, Kamang ka-appendicitis ako. No, I don't like.
Then swinging.
Swinging, how about we swing? Like that? Ang
Then
galing mo eh.
teaching.
Teaching? Dami naman. Ang dami naman. Natikot na. Okay ka ba dyan? Okay, so first of all, ang roll call natin. Hi, Pipi! Gawa na nuto si Pipi, no?
Oh, yung
Kaloy.
ko kami na lang.
Si Juday. Ang mga starter dito.
Hello.
Umi! Halika kasi dito, makisama ka sa dim. Oh, ayan ang mga starter. At ang ibadi mo. Kuya, mag-hi ka dito bago ka mapagalitan ni Winter. Oh, Winter, baka masagasaan ka dyan. Oh. Si Rochelle, ang ating umbrella girl. Ikot mo sa sarili mo.
Hi guys.
Oh. So tayo ay 3 versus 1 scramble. 3 versus 1. Practice nga tayo, guys. Mag-practice nga tayo, teammate. Okay, ang matatalo magsasayaw.
Nang ano sayaw?
Excited ka. Oh, yan. Ano ba gusto mo sayaw? Start mo. You know that song? I also don't wanna know that song. It's her favorite
No, we
song.
don't like to dance then.
Okay, that's her favorite song. And wala na sila coach. Andun na siya naglalakad. Ang matanda, ayun, oh.
Kitang-kita natin si Coach.
Hopefully he don't like
Very color
I know, yeah. So, thank you. And sinong mananalo? Ay, wow!
Hi, shot. Okay naman. Shortcut.
What is your comment? No comment!
You know, that's the shortcut, ha? On that side, on the right side.
Okay, let's go here first. Hey! Here, we're gonna go, this is our runway, diba?
Yeah, this
So,
is the mark.
We do like that. Oo.
Hopefully we don't get
No, just this wall. Then we ride the cart na. No? Sabi niya,
Why
no
no
comment ka
Why
doon
no
sa'yo.
comment?
Why no comment to the drive of Madam Chay?
no comment.
There's
I
no
can go
comment.
on that shortcut on that side,
No,
on the right side.
no comment.
But
How many yan, Winter?
gaano kalaki ba ito?
15 lang.
15?
Something, ako 14.
Hindi, 15 lang. Sa RD, 15 lang.
Yeah, pwede man, 15 lang eh.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo?
15.
Ano sagot mo? RD, 15 ikaw?
16 ka 14. Wala kasi. Wala lang 14. Yan yung bola ni Mama Steel. Yung bola ni Mama Steel. Tama rin siya. Hindi mo ko
Ito pa ang gagawin ng kaya.
Abante to, abante.
Ito gawin niyo ah.
Abante ba? Okay.
Ito po. Ito.
Yan. Ito gas. Okay.
Ba't na?
Tuloy, tuloy.
Ay.
Hoy!
Naging malungkot muna ako na nagpapatak. Wow, nice shot! No blood! Nice shot!
Balik, huwag ka sasabit. Yun, lumusot.
Shot! Nice shot!
Nice shot.
Okay na.
True. Wow.
Ganda ah.
Patay, mayo.
Ganda! Pasok!
Balik pa rin ba?
Pasok! Pasok! Galing ka!
Patay tayo, ma'am.
Birdie!
Nasikanti ka dyan na naman!
Yay!
Nice.
Bowling one.
Yan, nagsaseryoso yung partner namin. Go, Winter! Ay, hindi ko na.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Wow! Nice shot!
Fight! Kabong! Fight! 5 foot lang kami, oh. Winter.
Gusto mo ito na? Ito tayo.
Yun. Nice. Yay! Sana you target.
BD!
Ay!
Tayo mag-BD.
Parang gawa na kaya ko gagawin Ay, naglalakad din si Winter.
Regular.
Sure ka.
Sure.
Pasok! Uy, parang
Ganda! Pati buhok maganda eh, no?
Hey. Nice.
Natuwa na yung kadi mo.
Kuya naman, hindi dapat dun eh.
Ito naman ako.
Ganda! Pati buhok maganda eh, no?
Hey.
Google naman yun.
Okay.
Wow. Down.
Ano na nga tayo?
Destruction of justice.
Because you see,
Yeah, there's a distraction now.
yeah, she's violating Madam Chaiboy.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, she said.
Dapat mag-NLT.
No, she's her teammate! Don't say that.
No, the
Rules.
Nice spot.
Okay. We won by the violation of the rules.
Nandadaya na nga lang kayo. Ayaw niyo pa akong tulungan. Sabi ni Mel. Nandadaya na nga kayo. Pwede niyo na yan, oh.
What happened, Winter? What happened?
Nandiyan ni Winter, nilakasan. Para pumatdaw kayo.
didn't help me kasi
One na by
I fought you 2 times na.
Okay. Nagbibilang Rumi, nagbibilang pala itong kasama natin.
Ayos na yun.
No.
Yay!
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Shot.
Okay ba?
Good shot.
Nice shot.
Alagay ko sa ano na lang.
Nga, may masyadong...
Hindi kaya.
Isa pa.
No.
Mommy, I need to put more seeds.
No, it's too big the ano, too big.
What if I do this? Oh, you need to give me 100.
Oh, I'll give you. Sige, pagtawid mo. Oh, sige. Dito ka, okay na. Si Kuya. Oh, patay. Dead ka na agad.
Lumabog eh.
Si Tita Chel na, bumalis ka dyan.
Una ta.
Halika na dito.
Kuya,
Halika ka na doon kay Tita Beth. Halika na dito. Hindi ka nakanag sa room ko eh. Sinabi ko sa'yo na mag-zero siya, diba? Hindi mo gamitin ang kumote mo. Part-time ko. Dapat nag-lay up ka na.
I want to remove the ball. Aalangin ako.
Alanganin.
Ito talaga si RJ. Gagaan.
Hindi ako.
Wow.
Ay! Ganyan!
Nice on.
Oh,
Wow.
ano masasabi mo? Oh, ano?
Di ako.
Oh, pag napasok natin yung birthday. Diba?
Papalo pa ba ako?
Hindi na.
Wag na!
Thank you.
Wak, wak. Wak na yun, girl.
Nagdadabog-dabog din.
Shot.
Ba't kahon?
Ayun. Maganda. Ayun.
Green. Ayan, RJ.
Chow!
Chopaw! Ganda. Ate!
Ganda ng kuha. Okay na yun. Okay na ako.
Ay, galing ah. Galing ah.
Yun, oh. Yan, ayaw mo yan?
Hindi, ayaw ko.
Ayaw
Dapat
mo,
pasok eh.
ayaw mo yung ganyan?
Ayoko.
Mas malapit yan. In body.
Yay!
Birdie!
Birdie.
Let's go!
Oh, galing.
Ay, ganda.
Oy!
Bye, coach.
Bye. Akala ko babay, coach.
Alapit na akong babay.
Tan, 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 go, 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 go.
Sa Southwoods, di ba?
Go! Mga pilpat.
Mommy, you see that?
Ayan! Holy one! Wow!
Yun o. Drew!
Nice! Wow! Hey, beachy girl!
Nakagat ka ba ng meow niya? Ako, nakapamewang na yung nanay mo.
Ay, tayo dyan.
Ako na, yan na ni mami ko.
Meow, meow.
Yung meow kasi dyan naman, mami. Kainin ka ng meow.
Ano? In.
Binerdi ko.
Yay!
Original one up.
Meow, meow.
Ay, malakas na. Ay, sus Mariose! Go!
Yay! Lumiko ka kaagad, Ning-Ning!
Beautiful.
Yan.
Yay! Birdie!
Pangyarihan.
Ang dami binerdi ni mama.
Dami yung survivor ah.
Double or nothing.
Nothing na lang, mas okay, right?
Nothing, yeah. Just nobody is the winner. We're the same lang.
Huh?
Yeah, same lang.
No, no, no. That will not happen.
That will not happen. So, we win. Okay, now you.
That is not going to happen.
Oh, sige, not going to happen. Galingan mo, ha?
Ate,
Galingan mo. Kunti. Nothing tayo. Okay?
Paano nangyari? Change of ano?
Double
Ayaw
or
niya
nothing
ate
daw,
rin ang natatalo kasi eh. Competitive din siya eh.
Pag natalo tayo, wala.
Apoy ah.
Ano lang, all square, parang ganun.
play off.
Galingan mo kasi, parang hindi tayo.
Gusto pa na play-off ni Winter, pagod na nga sila matang. Kasi play-off.
You didn't give me your ditch ko.
Anak yan.
Yan, maganda yan ma'am.
Ah!
Ating.
Oh my
Ating.
God! Ito, ano ba yung birthday? Even.
Parlang.
Pasok